find somebody to put it where I can get it. We get a whole lot of one-way talking out here. We get a whole lot of one-way talking out here. I need a two-way. I need somebody that can do a two-way. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
It's a mess down here in Carolina, 33. What a train wreck in there already.
Hey, three-legged dog, Trinitron9 with the evening wave. Three-legged dog, Trinitron9 with the wave. Break, break, break.
About that 308. Hey, good evening time over there, 420. I heard you in there. I heard old T9 in there singing. Good evening, my friend. Good evening time. Watchmaker, Northwest Florida, got down.
Hey, watchmaker, you must be looking in my direction now. Earlier I heard you, but you didn't seem to hear me too good. But right now I hope it sticks and stays there. I got your 20 dB in Coney Island. They watchmaker, the man riding the wave and walking underwater. Break, break, break.
Appreciate it on there, 420. And I appreciate it, T9. I have Cookie coming in. About 4 others literally can barely make it out. An absolute train wreck. Unbelievable conditions there. Even time 420, T9. You watch me. I'm gonna be back here ghost riding, just listening in. T9, 420, you watch me. You're pulling back.
You pulling back, I'm riding the water. You pulling back, I'm walking on the water. You pulling back, I'm riding the wave. Hey, watchmaker, more watchmaker. Hey, watchmaker, more watchmaker. Have a good evening. You're Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Man, what a train wreck, man. What an absolute train wreck. I heard you in there, 420, and T9, you finished up. I'm moving right back, fellas. It is rough. Man, you guys are slamming in here. Sounding all kinds of good. Your watchmaker, Northwest Florida, got down.
You got down and I got right up. Hey, watchmaker, you got down and I got right up. I'm trying to clean out your radio. I'm trying to put it where you can get it. Hey, watchmaker, you got down, I got right up. I'm trying to clean out your radio. I'm trying to put it where you can get it. Watchmaker, break it up, break it up, break it up.
43, South Carolina, way to go. I got a whole room full of both of you. T9, 420, your watchmakers. Oh, who's got down?
You got down, I got up. Hey, watchmaker, you got down, I got up. You got down, I got up. Hey, watchmaker, you got down, I got up. Bye, watchmaker. Trinitron9 said bye, 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 bye.
Hey, how about it, 420? How about it, 420 hill climber to Carolina? 121, I heard you in there. Hello, right Carolinas. Hello, right Carolinas, 135 Mobile. 135 Mobile in the big trees, got down. Mother Nature. 420, you sounded real good to Carolinas. Have a good, happy 5-year day. I'll see you.
Who's that around the Carolinas making all that noise out here in Coney Island? Who's that around the Carolinas making all that noise out here in Coney Island? Who's that around the Carolinas? Trinitron9, Coney Island just got down.
Trinitron9. What's happening, Trinitron9? Oh, I thought you was out in Phoenix somewhere, right?
I'm right here in Coney Island. I'm right here in Coney Island riding this wave and walking on this water. I'm right here in Coney Island riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Happy day. T9, your watchmaker waving and stuff.
Bye, watchmaker, and bye, my friend around the Carolinas. Bye, watchmaker, and bye, my friend around the Carolinas. I'm playing in the water out here in Coney Island. I'm playing in the water in Coney Island. It's real sunny, and I'm playing in the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
T9, I heard you in there, 420 in that big old ground plane, brother. Waving right back, fellas. You guys have a happy Father's Day coming up. And we'll do it again. I'll be back here listening for a bit. No two ways. waves. Take care. For your radio.
Take care, watchmaker. Take care, my friend around the Carolinas. I never get your numbers out there in the Carolinas. But take care, watchmaker, and take care, my friend around the Carolinas. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen said bye, bye, bye.
So damn 420. It's all your talk show, man. It's either you or T9. You both team up. I can't even make it out there. It's crazy. Man, it's really, really strong signals coming from both of you, man. Unbelievable. Hey, 420, you take care. We'll do it again, big brother. 36 South Carolina,
Hey, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. I'll be on the wave. I'll be riding the wave and walking on the water. We'll do it again. Trinitron9 said we'll do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen just got down.
And we did it last time, my pavilion, Tokyo. 420, you did over there. Someone, Coney Ellen, 4 kill. I said, what are you doing here? 420, he said he was riding the waves, swimming on the waters of Coney Island, that bike.
That's what I'm doing. I'm riding the wave. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. That's what I'm doing out here in Coney Ellen. That's what I do. I ride the wave and I walk on the water. Good afternoon all over again. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Ellen. Got down?
Hey, you all by yourself, that go around. Wave and wave. Orioles Gangster 2020.
I want to know who's going to clean up my radio while I play in the water. Who's going to clean up my radio while I play in this water in Coney Ellen? Who's going to clean up my base station while I'm playing in this water? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, playing in the water. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, playing in the water. Just got down.
Wave at you from the Tar Heel. 804. 410. T9 is going to go for a swim pretty soon. He said he was swimming, walking on water, riding the waves. And, man, you're smoking down there. Your ground plane's smoking. Been good and everything, but...
Hey, watchmaker, watchmaker, watchmaker. I'm in the water. I'm in the water. He's on the ground plane. I'm in the water. He's on the ground plane. I'm on the water. By watchmaker, by watchmaker. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
All right, man. Thanks for getting it back. 804. I'll see you. And you fixing to turn the sand to glass down here in the sand pile. Hey, 410. 20.
Let me get out of these deep waters. You know I don't do no ghost talking out here in Coney Island. Let me get out of these deep waters. Let me back it down. Let me pull it back to the shoreline. You know I can't do any ghost talking. That's against my policy and it's bad for my reputation. Trinitron9 in these deep, deep waters of Coney Island. Got all the way down.
10 minutes. Still waiting on you to get it back down here. 804. 804. You made 6 elements. Trinitron9. Come on down.
804, here I come, riding the wave. 804, here I come, walking on the water. 804, can you see me riding the wave and walking on the water? 804, can you see me riding the wave and walking on the water? Break, break, break.
Can I say that Paul Bastard, you rode that wave all the way here and all the way back. Hey, Trent, you rode that wave all the way down the East Coast and all the way back up there. Trinitron9, 804, said I thank you for getting it back.
And I got it all, you said it all. You got a little squeal in that audio, but I heard it all and you said it all. 804, I heard it all because you said it all. The man riding the wave and walking on the water said bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, I hope I didn't got no squeal that time. I don't know. Sometimes RF is a funny thing. RF funny thing. Sometimes I touch stuff over here and then it goes all nuts. Take care, Trinitron. Me and this old sophisticated setup, don't
You good to go, you good to go. 804, you good to go, you good to go. Take care, 804, catch you later. The man riding the wave and walking on the water said bye, bye, bye.
Well, this is something else, man. Just slow cruising this whole beam around.
Watchmaker said he's slow cruising. Watchmaker slow cruising. Watchmaker said he's slow cruising on that beam. I'm riding the wave. He's slow cruising. I'm walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Just got down.
Right back, T9. You take care, brother. Happy Father's Day and God bless Trinitron. Where'd you go? We going 333 to Smokey's waving back. It's the mansion.
You have a good one also. You have a good one also. I'll be in the water. Anybody looking for me, I'll be in the water. Anybody looking for me, I'll be walking on the water, riding the wave. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Just got down.
Your friend, 333, down here in the Smoky Hills of eastern Tennessee, in the backwoods. 6 miles from Davy Crockett's cabin.
333 making a lot of noise out here in Coney Ellen. 333 making a lot of noise around Coney Ellen. I said 333 is making a lot of noise around Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, got down.
Oh, good. Have a happy day. Your friend 333 down here in the Smoky Mountains.
333 in the Smoky Mountains making a lot of noise around Coney Ellen. Hello radio. 333 in those Smoky Mountains making a whole lot of noise around Coney Ellen. Trinitron9 riding the wave, riding the wave, riding the wave. Trinitron9 Coney Ellen, got down.
Good too. I've got to tell you that. Oh, Trinitron9, we'll smoke that. 422, week 1, day 420, day 420, kill Billy.
Hey, I got a whole lot of water to put out the fire. I got a whole lot of water out here to put out the fire. I said I got a whole lot of water out here to put out the fire. Take it easy, take care. Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Take care, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, get down.
Carolina's 135 Mobile, 135 Big Apple Trees, got down. I guess I got no condition.
Trinitron9, and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Just got down.
135 Big Apple, hello 58 in the Carolinas, 135 in the trees, got down. Okay, well I'll stand by. I'm gonna stand by so you can find out who it is and then you tell them I'm back out. 420.
By XYZ, while you stepping out, I'm stepping in. By XYZ, while you stepping out, I'm stepping in. Hey XYZ, the man walking on the water, riding the wave, just got down.
Hey, Weekman, I'm glad you come in. Lobster Country, week 1, kill Billy. Hello, 420.
XYZ, Trinitron9, trying to put it where you can get it. XYZ and more XYZ. XYZ and more XYZ. Trinitron9 with the evening wave, got down.
Hey, week 1. I sure would like to have that week. XYZ back out.
XYZ, Trinitron9 with the evening wave with a whole lot of Haitian trash in there. I don't want to do no ghost talking. I heard you say you back out, but I don't know if you was talking to me. I didn't hear my name. XYZ, take it easy, take care. Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
7, stepping on this Virginia gas level. Yeah, happy day, right back to you, man. Have a second. Have a good one over there. We got well for trees. 420 to lose. I'm right there. 2-0. 2 right on. Somebody got to get in there and clean it up. 420.
Trinitron9 said here I come. Trinitron9 said here I come, cleaning out radios. Trinitron9 said here I come, cleaning out radios. Break, break, break.
You're wiping out everything from Maine down, man. You're covering Jersey.
I heard 316 out there jumping up and down. I heard 316 out there jumping up and down. Hello, radio. I heard 316 out there jumping up and down. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break.
Do me a favor, Ted. XYZ in Georgia, say hello. I'm back quiet.
I heard you say you can't get around Coney Ellen. I heard you in between those keys. I heard you say you can't get it around Coney Ellen, but I heard you between those keys. You made it around Coney Ellen. You made it around Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Got down.
Some of that lobster tail. 20316, and I'm reading Wobble water. I I'll trade you some of this old. Okay, I'm waving. You make up this trip available water or just some of this old Sertel weak one, kill Billy.
We're gonna step up to the plate and clean up my radio. Trinitron9 said I got a whole lot of Hessian trash out here. I got a whole lot of Hessian trash out here in Coney Island. Who's gonna step up to the plate? I need my radio cleaned out. I'm cleaning out radios. I need my radio cleaned out. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Deep waters. Break, break, break.
316 came with XYZ that time. Come on. I'm talking. Okay, I know where you at. Put her up there. And I'll give me.
Let me pull this thing out of the deep waters and take a pause for the cause. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island and take a pause for the cause. Good evening all over the band. Good evening all over the band. Your Trinitron9. Your Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
About an hour east of D.C., our capital. Your watchmakers, so cruise down.
Hey, watchmaker, are you still in Coney Island? Are you still looking around Coney Island? Hey, watchmaker, are you still looking around Coney Island? I want to know because I still hear you in Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, you still got any ears out here in Coney Island? Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron9, break, break, break.
Still fine, you got the needle flat out pegged in the corner. Unbelievable conditions. Hey, 142, you have a blessed night, sir.
No get back on watchmaker. No get back on watchmaker. I don't want to do no ghost talking out here. No get back on watchmaker. The man riding the wave and walking on the water just got down.
Take care, brother. Take care. I heard you out there 420. It's either 420 or 434. One of you.
Who's gonna clean out my radio? Who's gonna put it where I can get it? Who's gonna clean out my radio? Who's gonna put it where I can get it? Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
You say you and I pray that no ghost.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. You got that right. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the Coney Island wave. Just got down.
By Trinitron9, big old train wreck in there, man. I know you said no. You ain't afraid of no ghosts. You're walking on the water up that way. Good evening, good afternoon.
All right, there. You pulling back. I'm still in the water. You pulling back. I'm still on the water. You pulling back. I'm still on the water. There's a whole lot of Hessian trash out there, but I'm still in this water. I'm still riding this wave. Take care. Trinitron9, Coney Island said bye, 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 bye.
I'm gonna try to do like Trinitron9. Ride the wave, walk on the water. Ride the wave, walk on the water. 804, trying to get it back.
All right, Hillbilly, Virginia. 804's in the key, but I wanted to get it while I heard you in there. Hey, Killbilly, 804 was in the key, but I heard you coming in there. Hello, Killbilly. Hello, 804. Hello, Killbilly. Hello, 804. Hello, Killbilly. Hello, 804. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
Man, you did it again, Trin. You did it again. You got down in the Carolina. Look at that wave all the way down the back. 804, waving it gone.
And that's a 804 Roger. That's a 804 Roger. Y'all take it easy. Take care. Killbilly 804. And all the good time gang. I'm just playing in the water, man. I don't care. They keep telling me to get out the water, stop playing in the water. But I'm playing in the water out here in Coney Island. I'm playing in the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trinitron, oh, Trinitron, I tell you what, it must be a big tsunami coming down through here, man. Everybody on top of that wave. Got Brown Hornet on top of the wave. Got you on top of the wave. 420 on the wave. Brown Hornet, man, what's up, man?
You out there in the mobile getting on top of the wave. 804 right back.
Take care, 804, that other big brother. I hear you coming back and forth to me there. 804, get my ear hole, but I hear you in there. Think that's Kill Billy, but I don't want to do no ghost talking. But hello, that other big brother that coming back to Coney Island. You in there, but 804, get my ear hole. Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
What a bunch of hammers out there. Get in your radio. Hello, 804.
Sorry, Trent, I slow keying, man. I was trying to throw a few more hats at the names out of the hat there. John, he was still up in my radio, but I heard Brooke and Q trying to look for a shout out on that end too, man. I'm gonna say what's up. Say hello, Mellow Jello.
804, I'm just playing in the water. I'm having fun in these deep waters of Coney Island. It's real sunny out here in Coney Island. I don't want to go in the boardwalk. I just want to play in the water. 804, I don't want to go on the shore. I want to stay in the water. 804, I don't want to go back to the boardwalk. I'm staying in the water. 804, Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
20, let's see if we can do it again.
Look, he's waving. 405.
Yeah, there's somebody else around the guard. Who's in the garden?
I don't know who's in the garden, but I know who's in Coney Island. I don't know who's in the garden, but I know who's in Coney Island. I do not know who's in the garden, but I know who's in Coney Island. Trinitron9 with the worldwide Coney Island wave. Trinitron9 with the worldwide Coney Island wave. Just got down.
420 is in there a little bit there. Sure was. Trinitron. You still got that. You said you didn't know who it is around the guard, but you know who's around Coney Island. I'll give you that. Hold on, watch, nigga. Hey, Trin. I can't believe I'm getting this thing up around New York, bro. You get in the mix.
You're getting it all up in Coney Island. You're getting it all up in these deep waters of Coney Island. You better believe, you're getting that thing all up in these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Trin, give me a minute there. I want to see if I can get over here in New York here in just a minute. You're 804.
Do what you gotta do, 804. Do what you gotta do, man. I'm just playing in the water. 804, do what you gotta do. I'm just playing in the water, man. I'm staying in the water. I've been in the water 5 days straight. I don't care. I don't care if it snows. I don't care if it thunderstorms. I don't care if it lightning. I'm in the water. Take care, 804, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
Hey, Brown Horn, man, I think I lost you in there.
Yeah, he's running down. He's over there.
Trinitron, I think you're bad. He's smart driver, man. Let it warm up.
804, let it warm up, do what you gotta do with it, let it warm up. I'm in the water, man. I'm putting Coney Island water in everybody's radio. I'm cleaning at everybody's radio. I don't care, let it warm up. I'm putting water in it, I'm putting Coney Island water in everybody's radio. I'm putting Coney Island water in everybody's radio. Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
You're sounding good in Tennessee. Like you said, I don't know. I don't know how you were smoking. Somebody said that we give up on walking to 018. Don't give up, because I hear you 018.
Hey, 018, look around Coney Island. Here I come riding that wave. Hey, 018, look around Coney Island. I'm walking on the water, riding the wave. Hello, Beavers. Hello, 018, Coney Island. Hello, 018, the man riding the wave. Break, break, break. I hear Pound Puppy out there. I hear 018 out there. I hear Pound Puppy out there. I hear 018. I'm just riding this wave and walking on this water. I hear Pound Puppy. I hear 018. Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break.
Well, whoever it was right there, boy, I got a crane rig at 40 dBs on this end. Got me a heck of a crane rig coming out of northeast corner. Here's no breathing, smoky, next place. Good evening, Mr. Wilson. I sure appreciate it, see you tonight.
Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water. It's rough out here in Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water. I said it's rough and tough out here in Coney Ellen. I hear a whole lot of people in my ear hole. It's rough and tough in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Good evening to one and all. Good evening to one and all. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Got down?
Rest, I just got a bunch of bumblebees in my ear. We just got one of fire that wire, get some smoke noise, they get these bumblebees out of my ear down here. Triple three, the bumblebees on this
And triple threes out there, triple threes out there. Hey, 018, I need my radio cleaned up. Hey, 018, I need my radio cleaned up. Can you clean up my radio? Hey, 018 Beavers, I need my base station cleaned up. Can you do the job? Can you clean it up? What about it? 018 Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break. Here it is, Beavis, no doubt about it. I'm riding this wave, I'm walking on this water. Hey, 018, I'm riding this wave, I'm riding this wave, and I'm walking on this water, Beaver. But I'm trying to clean out your radio, Beaver. There's a whole lot of Haitian trash out there, but I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hello, 018, hello, 018. You're Trinitron9 with the worldwide Coney Ellen wave. Break, break, break.
18-9, there's a lot in there, man. 18-9, there's a lot in there, man. Just a bunch of hornets. They don't got bad. You got all kinds of them coming back.
I know there's a lot in there. I know there's a lot in there. I know there's a lot in there. Hey, Beavers, I'm in this water. I hear them. I see them. I know there's a whole lot in there, Beavers. Hey, 018, I know there's a whole lot of them in there, but I'm still riding the wave and walking on the water. I'm still riding the wave and walking on the water. Take here 018. Take here 018. Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down. No doubt about it. Here I come, riding that wave, walking on that water. It's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. Here I come, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, 018, here I come, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Take it, 018, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Said bye, bye, bye. All by yourself, 018, all by yourself. You doing your thing, you're holding your own, you all by yourself. Hey, 018, you all by yourself in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Every once in a while, you all by yourself, you all by yourself. Take your Beavers, take your 018. Here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Take your Beavers, bye, bye, bye.
Good to hear from you. God bless. Enjoy your Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. In a man cave. Back here where we stay, Grace.
It's rough out here in these deep waters of Coney Ellen, but I ain't complaining. I get my hands in the air giving thanks and praise to the Almighty. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. I don't see nothing wrong. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break.
Hey, that's all I got out there. It might have been coming out of Maryland for all that. From what I'm trying to pull out of here, it's rough and tough down here.
Right there at the end, David.
Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? That's all I want to know. Who gonna clean up my radio? Who gonna clean up my radio? That's a simple question. I just want to know who gonna clean up my radio. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the wave. Break, break, break.
Yeah, all them stations in Maryland, it is You know what up in there. Got Jersey trying to climb up on top of that mess. Hello, around Maryland. I'm going to figure out who it is here in a minute. 804 is sitting back.
804, you sitting back and I'm still in the water. 804, you sitting back and I'm still playing in the water. 804, you sitting back, but I'm still riding the wave, riding the wave, riding the wave. 804, Trinitron9 just got down.
Come pick the DX band and start them.
Gosh, I hope I didn't step on these toes. Trinitron9, you still rolling up in there every now and then, boss. I believe that was 94 Maryland I did pull out of the hat. Hello, 94 Maryland, if that was you. Yeah, 804 in the Carolinas trying to get up in somebody's radio.
You all up in Coney Island, you all up in Coney Island. 804, you all in Coney Island. You trying to get in Coney Island, you are in Coney Island. Take it 804 and all the good time gangs, 018, everybody, Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water, just got down.
Trinitron, I heard you call my name here, we're leaving right back, Trinitron9, while you still walking on the water, 804 got down.
And I heard it all, you said it all, in between those keys, I think I heard Silver Bullet out there. Right before you keyed up, I think I heard my friend Silver Bullet out there. Hey, Silver Bullet, Trinitron9 with the Coney Island wave, just got down.
And week one's in there. A lot of stations trying to get it back. I'm trying to get back to all there, break.
You just kill my radio there on my way.
Take it 018, take it 018. I thought that was Silver Bullet. I think that was 018 I heard. Take it 018, take it 804 and all the good time gang. I'm playing in the water, man. I don't know what everybody else is doing, but I'm playing in this water. Take it 018 while I ride the wave, ride the wave, ride the wave, and walk on the water. Break, break, break.
20, somebody was in there with a hammer, man. I just couldn't figure out who it was. And then I heard your station again. Hello, I could
Right back 018. 018 is a busy, dirty job. 018 is a busy, dirty job. It's a busy, dirty job. 018 is a busy, dirty job. But somebody gotta ride the wave and walk on the water. Ride the wave, walk on the water. Take your beavers, Trinitron9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
I'm right back.
Copy 804, appreciate you getting back. I just been so man.
Stations rolling back, so these conditions is rolling into Carolinas today. Take care, Sugarfoot, 804.
By 018, by 018, I'm still playing in the water. 018, I'm still playing in the water. My radio's busy, I guess yours is busy also, but I'm still playing in this water. By 018, by 018, by 018, the man riding the wave, the man riding the wave. By 018, the man riding the wave and walking on the water, just got down.
I've always got you down here, Trinitron9, you know that. I can always hear you. You might be in and out. Might be a little bit here and there, but you're always in there. Sometimes you take over my radio, Trinitron9, 018, stand by.
You just took over my radio. Hey, Beavers, you just took over my radio. I know how it is. You just took over my radio, Beavers. You was all by yourself right there. Hey, Beavers, keep up the good work, man. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Hey, Beavers, Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Said bye, bye, bye.
Now, what are y'all doing back over in Tennessee? What are y'all doing back over in Look on back over here to Carolina. Look on back around to Carolina. Or my starting now. Just on that rain is coming in there. We're supposed to get a little bit down.
I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave and walking on this water. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave and walking on this water. I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave and walking on this water, no doubt about it. It ain't an easy job, but somebody got to do it. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island got all the way down. Bye, 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 bye.
Yeah.
I'm gonna step back here and listen in, try to call people names. Virginia in there, 2-3 I'm trying to get you over right to you if I hear you, 018.
Hey, Beavers, keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Hey, Beavers, keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job, man. Hey, Beavers, don't let nobody tell you anything different. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a very good job out there, Beavers. Keep doing what you're doing. Hey Beavis, I'll catch you in the next wave out of Coney Island. The next wave out of Coney Island. Take care, Beavis. Bye, bye, bye.
Standing up tall in the Carolinas today. That's the worldwide 804 Paragon.
Video gate don't lie, it was all you.
The video gate don't lie, the video gate don't lie, the video gate don't lie. And I don't see nothing wrong with riding the wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on the water. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong, nothing wrong. Take care, Beavis, and all the good time gang. The video gate don't lie, the video gate don't lie. Trinitron9 in these deep, deep waters of Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
My sugarfoot, sounding good in Tennessee. Appreciate you hollering. Happy Puppy Days your way. 018 standing by, reading well.
Let me put some of this water in your radio. Let me put some of this water in your radio. Let me put some of this water in your radio. By Vivas. Let me put some of this Coney Island water in your radio. By 018. Let me put some of this Coney Island water in your radio. Bye, bye, bye. I just wanted to put some water in your radio to dilute all that sugar. I don't want you to have too much sugar in your radio. I don't want you to have too much sugar in your system. I had to put some of that water in it to dilute that sugar. Take care 018 while I put this Coney Island water in your radio. Bye, bye, bye. XYZ still reading the mail and I'm still riding the wave. XYZ still reading the mail and I'm still riding this wave around Coney Island.
Hey, Trinitron9.
Appreciate everybody.
Take care, XYZ. Here I come, 804. Take care, XYZ. Here I come, 804. I'm still riding the wave. Take care, XYZ. What about it, 804 and all the good time gang? I'm still playing in the water in Coney Island. XYZ 804-018 and all the good time gang. The man riding the wave and walking on the water just got down.
Yeah, man, I'm pushing this thing into critical mass over here, man. I'm pushing this thing into critical mass, 420. I gotta be careful. Tell Trinitron9, big old friendly fire that way. I'm going.
Bye, watchmaker. Bye, watchmaker. Wave it right back. Hey, watchmaker. Wave it right back. Wave it right back. Hey, watchmaker. Wave it right back. Wave it right back. Watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Bye, bye, bye.
Okay, power 00, I'm good.
Alright, 420. Yeah, I heard him going back to watchmaker. I think he'll watchmaker conditions. Alright, let me back my driver down a little bit, man. I'm running a little bit too wide over here. Critical mass situation going on, I see.
804, you doing your thing. You all by yourself right there. 804, you doing your thing in Coney Island. You right there right now. Y'all take it easy. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. Said bye, bye, bye.